Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's me Kaushiki welcoming you today to a session where we'll talk about what are the foodstuffs that you should avoid to enhance your fertility. Now this video is again not just for those couples who are trying to conceive, it is for everyone from the age of 18 to 40-45 who wants to keep their fertile health in a good shape. In recent time, there has been ample literature to suggest that diet has got direct relationship in either enhancing or decreasing our fertility depending upon what we eat. I've already done a video on what foodstuff to eat to increase your fertility, and you can have a look at that to know what you should incorporate in your diet. But here we will talk about what you should avoid in your diet so that your fertility enhances. The first group is group of diet which is rich in trans fat. What is trans fat? It's type of fat that we consume, and it has got deleterious effect on the immune system, the reproductive system, and all the systems of the human body. So but here we'll restrict ourselves to the reproductive system. So in reproductive system, it has been found that males who were taking lot of trans fat, that is more than 1% of their energy was coming from trans fat rich diet, they had low sperm count. Likewise, the quality of the eggs produced by the ladies who were consuming more of trans fat, they were poor in comparison to somebody who was maintaining a diet which was low on trans fat. And you will be surprised to know that in everyday food we eat consume so much of trans fat, which can be in the form of the popcorns, or it can be in the form of pizzas, burgers, all the deep fried stuff. Second group of food stuff which should be avoided is red meat. Again, for red meat, it has been found that males who were taking a lot of red meat in their diet, they had poor semen and sperm quality. And one reason could be that it is rich in trans fat when it is processed, and otherwise also it contains more of trans fat. And so red meat is not something which is good for you. If you have to eat it, a non-vegetarian source, then chicken is a better source of protein rather than having red meat. So please avoid it. If you are high on consumption of red meat, it is not good for your fertility. We know that if you take fish, it increases your fertility by giving you polyunsaturated fatty acids. But having said that, if the fish is contaminated with the contaminants of the nature, particularly mercury, that will decrease your fertility. So you have to be cautious in the type of fish that you are consuming. Freshwater fish like a salmon is a better option than something which is seawater and more likely to be contaminated by the mercury. So next time when you are purchasing your fish, then just have this in mind, and if you take your choices wisely, then you would enhance your fertility by having more of polyunsaturated fatty acid. But if contains contaminant, in that case your fertility will be decreased on the other hand. Mild to moderate consumption of alcohol hasn't been associated with increase in fertility either in males or in females. But if you are having alcohol in too much amount so as to impact your liver, then your fertility would be compromised. So it's not to say that I'm encouraging you to have alcohol. In mild to moderate amount, it will not cause you, at least there is no evidence to suggest that it causes any problem with your fertility. But if you have it in too much of amount, then that too will cause decreased fertility. So just be careful. And smoking, of course, it is not a foodstuff, but just here I take the opportunity to mention that smoking for sure decreases the fertility in both males as well as females. So stay away from smoking, and if you already do smoke, then try to cut it down, because I won't be unrealistic and saying that okay fine, you smoke and you are doomed. No, nothing like that. But then you should have this in mind that smoking does decrease your fertility, and if you wish to improve your fertility, cut down on it. Sweet and sugar, that our taste likes, and so does our brain. It makes us feel happy. We really enjoy sweets, isn't it? But unfortunately, our fertility doesn't like sweet. Why so? Because when you are taking sweet, it is giving you so much of calories that it makes you put on weight. It increases your insulin resistance, and all that has been associated to decreased semen and sperm count, as well as there is decline in the quality of the egg produced, as well as the ovulation also gets hampered if there is insulin resistance and more body fat. So particularly these 5 group of foodstuff that I have told you, let's to summarize what were those. To begin with, trans fat, avoid that. Avoid red meat. Avoid contaminated fish, because mercury will cause you more harm than the polyunsaturated fatty acids would do you good. And alcohol should only be in moderation. So should be your sugar and sweet consumption. That should be in moderation. If you have to satiate your sweet tooth, in that case you can take stevia, which is a plant derived artificial sweetener, which is not as bad as the rest of the sweeteners or the sugar. So you can incorporate that, but do try to cut down on your sugar as much as possible. So these are the foodstuff which I will tell you to avoid, and you will definitely find that your fertility has improved. In our next video, I will try to talk about certain foodstuff about which there is a myth that either it enhances the fertility or it decreases the fertility. So we will talk about those. Stay tuned. And if in case you like the content of this particular video, please like, share and subscribe. If you don't do that, still it is okay. If you found this video useful, my purpose is served to a large extent, and I will see you again in my next video. Till then, have a nice week ahead.